showed you where it was.
Oh, no, this is the 8th.
Yeah.
The vlog has started.
In your bag?
Sir, really? So fake. The one that's on your legs was
At least I don't smell bad down there.
I like how like every time you're on a plane, you have a story.
You know, I gotta leave my mark anywhere. Everywhere.
Literally walked all the way down there to come down this freaking treadmill. This is why I can't bring him anywhere.
Round 2.
Wow, that was so bad. Look, Zach, look. Zach, look. San Francisco lunch. Yep. San Francisco lunch. The Chinese that got Mediterranean sandwich. They got Chinese too. This guy. This whole vlog is gonna be Zach going on this freaking thing.
Oh, is that where he's going?
This is his second time on this one already. Wait, where is he at? Right there.
He's back in a while and he finds it.
I know.
Pretzels, chocolate, or fruit bar.
I'm right here. Why are you still pointing it at me? Oh, my bad.
You are. Aloha. Sorry. We had a scary experience in baggage claim, but it's okay. Everything is claimed. And we're in Hawaii.
Good morning, Hawaii.
Hi. In an elevator.
Can you let?
What are you doing?
I know. Can you say 1, 2, 3 cheese?
1, 2, 3 cheese.
Sarah.
Huh? Oh, sorry.
Is he still there?
I don't know where Turtle is. Turtle's still at the counter. I don't like that.
So good news, bad news. They don't allow 5 people to a room, so we're gonna have to get an extra room.
First bite.
Okay, I don't know. I have to make this. I don't know. I don't even know how to make
So I got
What?
Hawaiian sun guava nectar and spicy ahi then my sushi roll.
I got tuna cucumber sushi roll. And deluxe spam musubi.
Oh, dude, get out of here.
Mochi.
Okay, wait. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Are we doing this right? Oh, I was supposed to take it out. Oh.
This one, huh?
Oh, that's so cute. First bite.
Is it this way? Is it?
You roll it. Oh, this is bomb. Second bite. This is good.
I have it already. Oh, did you?
First bite.
How's that?
Don't eat the
Good?
This is really good.
Bruh.
Broke in the mouth?
Sweet time.
I might just be hungry. No, this is pretty good.
Is that spicy?
I was like, my stomach is kind of hurting, so I don't want to make it hurt even more. I was gonna get that one, but no.
Oh yeah, we're in Zippy's parking lot
That took
waiting
too
for our
long.
table.
It took too long.
What time is it?
Time to go.
Guys,
Let's go.
You're not getting a locomotive. She's getting the chili locomotive.
no, I'm not.
What are you getting?
I got Korean chicken, mac salad, chili with cheese and onions.
I got water.
Yeah, whatever. So I got 3 chickens. Chicken katsu, Korean chicken,
That looks really good too. What the
chicken. Oh, Sarah got loco moco and that salad.
It's a mini look.
And brown rice. Cause she healthy.
The next morning.
It's locked.
Oh, dang.
Okay.
That whole stand was so bad. Wait.
No, ready?
With all the shenanigans.
I know. What are you drinking this morning? Oh. There's a bird on the balcony, like it's right there. Zach whistled and it came.
Zach was whistling and it came.
That's so cool.
We're here at the I'm flying my drone at the canoes.
Still sailing forward in the wake of our kupuna. What another huge hand for Oahu.
We were in the hotel room.
There is no place I'd rather be than back home in Killeen, Texas.
Oh, time to go. The Laddie Stones right there.
This is north.
North is that way.
This is northeast or northwest. A little northwest.
That's pretty. This is made in Tahiti.
Was there more a load all in one place?
I know, because I shot at her.
Oh.
You what?
Been a naughty boy.
Spank me.
Stick your hand in.
Ah,
He wants to high five the locals.
they have magic.
What? Oh, they have the Uncle Turtle picture. No, I'm saying take a picture of the events.
Oh look, it has.
Bruh, not. Why everything I gotta record? You gotta record it. Oh. Hi, Mickey. Hi, Mickey.
Can you call your son, please?
What?
This is where they're gonna perform.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said.
The wind blows coconut on the spring. Dance on the flame. Bro, you can't even do it.
It's actually kind of
No, yeah, so that's what we're gonna do every time we see something that we like but we can't get it. We'll go whack, whack, whack. Fiska. Kunili na la. Paina lang. Ooh. Ooh, factory. Okay, so scrap 7-Eleven.
Scrap 7-Eleven. We're eating here. 7-Eleven's a after practice snack.
Yep.
We're stopping by 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
Guys, I found dinner.
Sex! Yeah, he did. What is it?
How is it?
I know, we need a review.
Ready?
Yep.
Go.
Why would you do that? Because he's Zach.
Ready?
Yes. Oh, we literally got to break them.
Coffee, Ubi, original.
Oh, it's oozy.
Oh
my
yes. I was like to share this.
Rip it.
I know, but
It's so messy.
can we have a knife or
Ask for a
something?
knife?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
It's like Biloxi.
Now I don't want to touch it.
More for me.
I want to try the coffee.
I know.
Oh, it's oozing.
Duh.
Straight up home.
Scalpel.
Okay. We're gonna rip it in half, and then Cam, you rip that in half. I'm gonna rip it in half.
Oh! My turn.
That's what Kenny looks like.
My turn. Stop.
I was right next to you.
Here,
What do we do? What do we
Pass
do?
out.
What do we do?
take a bite.
Okay, everybody bite.
Me and you, him.
There. Hold it. Zach, the rest is Zach's.
My God. Okay, it's like right on me. It's gonna move the camera.
Oh.
How about this? How
take
about
it
I
for
hold
later.
it up, drink the stuff.
Everyone just take a bite and pass it around.
Okay, let it ooze.
Take a bite and pass it around.
Okay. Nice bite.
Y'all, people were talking about us sharing food in my last vlog.
Huh? I just got the bird. We only have one last. That's our last nap.
Yep, that's coffee. It's good, but it kind of leads into
Coffee.
the...
I wonder if it's supposed to make it cool.
It almost got on your phone.
Pick holding.
Oh, sorry. I don't know how to record. I know. You're recording like this.
Can you like pan away so I can
Okay.
bite first?
I'll do the corner.
Nose.
I don't want to try.
Oh no! You didn't get any ube. Bite the other side.
Lick it. Zakaria.
Of course we share food.
What if I told y'all I am lactose intolerant?
What if I told y'all
What if I told y'all that I have an erectile dysfunction? My drink. Oh, don't look at that.
We
Oh,
had
so
the best
messy.
day ever too.
Oh, look at Cleo.
That was good.
Instagram was laughing at me
Sweet girl.
because I'm
I love
out
you.
into the seat warmer.
Hi, I'm Cleo. This one is for the boys with the broom system. Top down, I see.
When you come up in the club, they be blazing up. Got sex on deck like you're saving up. Any deal? Come here. You like it, deal?
If you guys know Cleo, you know.
It's like out of 31.
The statue.
Aloha! Aloha!
This is
Aloha!
the tourist. Oh,
Oh, sorry. No, you're good.
oh, the
Oh,
beach is so
that
pretty.
didn't you. Gonna use beach water? Okay, here we go.
Whose lipstick is this?
That guy.
Oh wow, that's nice.
It's over at the
No,
museum.
talking about
Oh, how much is something like that?
This was 30.
30? That's not bad. That's nice.
They have that at the swap meet.
I want to buy.
Go buy tickets.
It's like 5 minutes to buy your tickets.
This thing was on me. I flicked it off, and now it's a spider.
Are you gonna do it?
Ooh, girl. Don't kill it.
Oh, I'm gonna name this one Coutura.
Originate from. I'll start with myself. I'm Trisha from Katuda Chamorro, now Tahita. And this is Auntie.
Auntie Alyssa Lefevre. I'm from Nagafa.
Okay, that's which one?
Oh, from Texas.
Hafa Day, Oahu Siren from Anina and Marianas in Texas.
Oh, shoot. All my people are over there.
Oh, right now. Wahusi Daniel, or Turtle, you'll hear. From Killeen, Texas. Group is in London, famagu'on.
I'm Auntie Rhea or Rhea from Anana Famagu'on, Killeen, Texas. Oahu Sarah from Anana Famagu'on from Killeen, Texas.
You know, all who see Zachary,
Ooh.
Tatal, Texas, Iguma, Ineno from
Teacher's pet.
Hafa Day, I'm Tara or Auntie Tara from Katuda Chamorro Foundation from Long Beach, California.
I am Uncle Frankie. I'm with Auntie Alyssa with Mangoff in Killeen, Texas.
Hafa Day, my name is Tara and I am from Katuda Chamorro Foundation.
Today, my name is Scott. Tata Guma Katuda Chamorro Foundations and Tahita, Sinanahusi, Trisha.
You guys can join in. Mom, you can join in. You want to join? Yeah. You're included.
Okay.
And see, Donna, we didn't skip you.
Hafa Day. Wahusi Auntie Donna Wolfer. Tau Wahan forever. But I live in Texas. I'm with Anina and Marianas. I am with Anina and Marianas. Wahusi Sil Gombar. Hafa Day. We're with Anina and Marianas. That's my maestra right there. Hafa Day, Wahusi Jessica. Tataguan. Proud supporter of Anina. My daughter is part of Anina and Marianas.
This daughter.
I'm Tiana Young from Halipata Grupa, so DC, Maryland, Virginia area.
Hafa Day, Fran Young, Tiana's mom from Virginia.
Hafa Day, Wahusi Jamie Anna with Anina and Marianas.
Hafa Day, I'm Jewel from Anina Marianas.
That's my girl.
Hi, girl.
Hafa Day, I Guahusi Chloe from Anina Marianas. Hafa Day. Hafa Day. Guahusi Courtney from Anina Marianas.
Hafa Day. I didn't know my Guma was on the other side, but Guahusi Cam or Cammy from Killeen, Texas, Guma, Inana, Famagu'on, Guahan. IFG. Sorry.
Hafa Day, Guahusi Jaylee from Anina Marianas.
Hafa Day, Wahusi CJ from Mangafa, from Killeen, Texas.
So wanted to tell you guys that these skirts were freshly picked from back home. I get emotional about it because you can't find these anywhere. There was actually, after the typhoon, a lot of it was gone.
With your Nituk skirts, it's kind of like your rite of passage, right? So under Pipit, they kind of have your levels of a coconut tree sprouting, right? You start with the coconut, it goes into the ground, and as you learn, and it's not only about dance, but weaving and your arts and everything else, your language, you start to bloom into a coconut tree, right? And from that coconut tree, you create something. So this is one of your highest honors that you can receive with wearing a grass skirt or a trunk of Nituk skirt on stage and having it in your possession. So don't take that lightly. it's very tough. Like myself, I've waited, I think it was like 12 years before I even threw on a coconut leaf skirt on a stage. And just for me, it was funny enough during the FestPAC celebrations in Solomon Islands. So, you know, just don't take that lightly. Just know that this symbolizes your journey. If you ever do receive one, that you've earned it. You know, through pain, blood, sweat, and tears. Okay?
Because the coconut, the trunk of needle, is very representative on our island. It provides shelter, clothing, food, milk, oil, wood to make canoes. So this is a very, very centric plant on our homeland. So when you wear it, it's just not an adornment. It's just not an accessory. It's a part of your sign of your ancestors. The Aniti is in that coconut. So when you wear it, or when you get the opportunity to get it, just know that you worked your dogging off, and that they believe that you represent the Chamorro values. Do not take it lightly.
So when these skirts came, obviously most of it, I mean, this is the easy job. It has already been practically made for you. But they have not been deboned, and that's that part of the portion we're going to show you guys. But do know that these came from home, but they also came from the village of Inalahan. His family went into the jungles and picked these leaves just to make this happen today. Like Sina Rosemary, I was telling her we're doing this today, and when I told her, she goes, "Where'd you get leaves?" And I was like, "Oh, it came from Inarahan back home, and Uncle was able to have his family help us with this." And she's like, to not only have this class today here in this beautiful island of Hawaii, but to have leaves from back home is truly a blessing.
So you see the bone, this part? You're just gonna take your nail.
Get your hands in there.
Rest in peace to my nails, but
You see how she's starting from the top?
and then you just try to go as close to the bone and spread it out.
So this might be a little hard, so be careful because these are still a little moist.
Your
See
fingers
this?
are...
You want to just take it out.
Sorry, you're gonna be in the vlog.
Away from you.
Hi. Aloha.
Aloha.
Oh my
Today?
gosh. Having fun? You look like it. I'm gonna cry. Don't so much at the end. So like,
These were the leaves that just withstood the typhoon.
yeah, start with what was left. Like there.
So Jamie, I want you to remember that, okay? So Jamie, can you please come up here? Jamiana is one of the leaders for her group. I bestow this group upon you. Seeing her blossom in so many ways, to please bestow a skirt upon Courtney. So Courtney, if you can come up here. Courtney, you're welcome. She's one of Aninan's leaders. And even that, with 3 of them, putting all their ideas together to keep the group going in the direction that you're going isn't an easy task.
She reminds me, she's like, even when I only have 2 people, she's always there with me. CJ, can you come up? So like how Cammy is Uncle Turtle's memory, she's my memory.
On 3, 1. 2, 3.
Where it's strongest.
Can I do like 2 at a time?
Just make sure you don't lift the.
Oh.
No, hold your punches and we're gonna take a photo.
I got my toes in the water, toes in the sand. Wow. Oh, it feels so nice. Oh yeah. There's only one towel, so we can't get like soaked. Oh, jeez, Uncle Turtle.
I like to watch volleyball.
Uh-huh. Again, my God. Oh. They put mac and cheese. Trying the mac and cheese. Ooh, wait, here. What do I have to bring away? I just grabbed whatever. Oh no. Oh no. No, thanks. Grass skirt making. I started mine out here.